Hey, hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank you. So friends, in this video we are watching the modern wardrobe designs for our house, for our bedroom, because wardrobes show off your choice in the selection of outfit. Many people, particularly women, love to decorate their cupboards with an exclusive range of gowns, tops and the jeans and other costumes. Just like other furniture, the wardrobe had its own charm at your home. There are the many ways to customize your cabinet. Either you can go with the wall mounted wardrobe. Beside the storage, there are the ample benefits of wardrobe which you may be enlisted in these videos. There are the several advantages for the wardrobe designs to your bedroom. First one is the part for your interior design. Interior designing makes your home look more attractive. When you're already spending a lot of money for your furniture, so why not have an amazing wardrobe in your home? So to get the final idea, You can look this video. There are the different types of wardrobe designs for your bedrooms, which will help you to select the perfect wardrobe for your bedroom. The biggest benefit of the wardrobes is that you can make it in your style. You can put the wooden shelves according to the number of clothes you have. Further, you can enhance the look of the cupboard and utilize the space by adding the drawers. You can keep the small accessories such as jewelry, perfumes, ties and other things. The cabinet is beneficial for the whole family, and it is also for the storing for the other valuable things. It is not only alone made for the keeping clothes. You can store the large things in the drawers such as pillows as well as the blankets. There are the various types of wardrobes available these days with the small to large drawers, where you can also store the books of weddings, albums, your makeup kits and other. So a cabinet save the much of the space in your house. It can serve as a home decor item as well as the storage. The fitted wardrobe is a more convenient option than free standing the wooden cupboard. Wooden wardrobes may deteriorate to change in weather condition or the moisture. On the other hand, the wall-mounted cabinets are not affected by the moisture, rust or the different climatic conditions. So build according to your place. Unlike the olden days where there were any large size wardrobes in a trend, but now it will come in all sizes. You can buy or customize it according to your space. Now it's a very easy to get which suit your needs and the requirements. Another advantage of the wardrobe is to easy maintenance. One of the major advantages of the wardrobes is that you can maintain in a comfortable manner. It does not need the special tools to clean. You can clean the closet with a cotton cloth or a sponge. So does not have to purchase the costly tools to clean the wooden or the wall mounted wardrobes. Another advantage is the time saving. Who has the time to waste in finding the matching shirts and pants in the morning? A wardrobe is a great use when you are running late for work. A wardrobe is of a great use when you are running late of work. You can place the costumes in the different drawers and the shelves. Every morning your drawers and shelf, you can pick your favorite pair of pants and shirts to save the time while going to your office. Apart from that, you can reach for a party or at the date for the right time. Another, you can add the lighting to your wardrobes. You can utilize the little space for lighting purpose. All you need to do is place the glass shelves in between the modular wardrobe and put the funky lights. There are also the various colors in lights such as white, green, red and blue, which will beautify the look of your wardrobe. In addition to that, you can enhance the look of your medals and trophies by placing the lights. So use the empty space when you are leaving a small flat or apartment. It becomes extremely important to utilize the very inch. You can use the wall space for creating a larger or you can use the wall space for creating a large or the small cabinet. It is your choice whether you can want to choose the whole wall or the part of it. So a wardrobe has become a useful thing in the small places, whereas to complete the home decor requirements, you can get the cupboard from your nearby shops or you can contact your interior design or you can contact your manufacturer or the carpenter who provides you customizable things for wardrobes. So friends, I hope that this video will help you to select the best wardrobe designs for your bedroom. So if you like our videos, then please subscribe this channel, like and share this video. Thank you.